In this video, we'll walk you through the simple process of charging your TSL RFID reader. Inside the box, you'll find a power brick and multiple plug adapters for different countries. Since we're in the US, we'll use connector. This plugs into the power brick. The other end is a keyed connector that attaches to the TSL reader. Notice the key alignment on both the connector and the back of the reader. Match them up and press firmly until it's fully seated. Now, plug the charger into a power outlet. The TSL reader's charging light will blink 10 times, indicating it has power. The blinking pattern tells you how much charge is in the battery. One flash at a time, battery level is 33% or less. 2 flashes, battery is between 33% and 66%. 3 flashes, battery is between 66% and 99%. Solid light, 100% charged and ready to go. And that's it! You've successfully charged your TSL RFID reader.